Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? Today is Thursday, April. What day is today? April. Oh my God, the days are going by and I don't even remember. Um, Thursday, April 9th is today. So we're going to do Thursday's day for English language arts, and follow along as I teach you how to do it, but also tell you what you need to do today. Okay? And by the way, I am super proud of all your hard work. I've gotten pictures of your work. I've gotten pictures of you working on the computer, or working on a piece of paper, and I am just so incredibly proud of you. I know, parents, that is not an easy time right now. We've never lived something like this before, but I am so proud of all of you and all of this. Okay, so keep it up and let me know if you need anything ever, okay? All right, so let's get on this. So this is week 2. We are about to do Thursday right here, right there. Today we're going to talk about the central message. Remember that Turkey Girl is a folk tale, and folk tales usually have a message or a lesson that you learn, so that you can apply it in your life. Who remembers what lesson you learned and we talked about yesterday after reading Turkey Girl? What did you learn from what Turkey Girl did? Let's go back to Turkey Girl. This is Cinderella. So she wanted to go to a dance and the turkeys helped her out, right? And the turkey said, "We only ask that you come back before sunset because you are the one who keeps us safe." The girl thanked the turkeys again and again. It seemed like she was very grateful, and she promised that she would return before sunset. But she was having so much fun she forgot all about her friends, the turkeys. And when the dance was over, she returned to her old ragged clothes, and she had no more turkeys there waiting for her. They had gone and they had left her all alone. So, what kind of message or lesson does this folk tale teach you? What comes to mind? Maybe something you should do or shouldn't do? Like maybe the girl should have been kinder. Maybe the girl should have, listened to the turkeys because the turkeys gave her a wonderful gift of dressing her up really nicely so she could go to the dance. But then she wasn't really as kind and thinking about the turkeys like the turkeys were thinking about her, right? So tell me again. Tell me again, what lesson does this teach you that maybe you can do in your own life? Think about it. Tell it to a friend. Over text. I don't know if you guys are texting each other like I know you guys were texting each other. Some of you were texting each other in the classroom. But I know you can tell it to your brother or your sister or a tree or the window or the TV or your mom or your dad or your aunt or your uncle or your cousins, whoever is with you. What kind of lesson did you learn from what happened to Turkey Girl? So your job today is to think about that, but also you're going to think about questions 25, 26, and 27. So read it, pause it right here so you can see it, and write down the answer. Like Jose wrote down A or C or D when he was answering the Cinderella question. That's a great idea. There's a picture of that on Class Dojo. Okay, so it seems like here the character learns a lesson based on how they respond to major events or challenges or the problem. I think that's what she did. She had a problem, the turkeys helped her, but then she had another problem because she wasn't as kind to the turkeys as she should have been. All right, so the last thing I want you to do is go back to Turkey Girl and find any words that have EA. What sound does EA make? Who remembers? EA makes the E sound. And EE makes the E sound. Okay, so you have to look through all the different lines here. See if you can find a word that has the digraph. This is a vowel digraph. Ooh, I found one. There it is. Treated. I see an EA in treated. So you can grab a piece of paper and do like I did, okay? And write down the numbers right here. I wrote number 1, and I'm going to write treated. And then I'm going to write number 2 so that I can find another one. But treated is a word that has EA. Okay, do you see the EA right in the middle after the consonant blend ter? Yep. So I gotta keep going. I already found treated. Now I have to keep going and see if I can find. I see heard and I see great. These are words that even though they have EA, they don't sound like E. I want you to find words that sound like E when you say it, like treated. That EA sounds E. Let's see. Have I found? Oh, there we go. I found another one right there. I'm going to write it down. It says deer. D-ear. What do you hear in the middle? D-e-er. What do you hear in the middle? E. That's right, E. So I wrote it down on my notebook. That's what you're going to do right now, okay? Guys, I miss you so much, and I know you're going to keep doing great things, and I know we're far away right now, but it will change. This will pass, and we will be back in the classroom as soon as possible. But for right now, the important thing is for you to stay safe and stay at home and just keep watching my videos, okay?